Hello, my name is Savannah Ostoff, and today I'm going to be showing you a balance sheet standard, profit and loss standard, statement of cash flows, and transaction list by date for Aloha Properties Chapter 7, Case 3. So we'll go up to Reports, down to Company and Financial. We'll go down to the balance sheet standard. We have to change the dates. This. We'll go back to the first. Change that up. You can see the accumulated depreciation is right here. And then we can change it to the end of the month in January on the 31st. As you can see, accumulated depreciation is also there, as well as, oh my gosh, I can't talk. Move this down, move this down a little bit. Okay. All right. Next thing, I will print it, save as a PDF, and save it in my list. Okay. All right. The next one is profit and loss standard. Up here at reports, go down to company and financial. For a profit and loss standard. And also change the dates for this one. Change that. All that shows up. Expenses, net income. I will also print this, save as a PDF, as I will with my other ones. Okay. Alright, the next one, go up to reports, back down to company and financial, over and down to statement of cash flows. Again, changing the date. For the whole month of January. You can see accounts receivable, accounts payable, all of the operating, investing, and financing activities are shown. Okay. And I will also be printing that and saving it as a PDF. Okay, and for our last one, we'll do transaction list by date, down to accountant, and taxes, down to transaction list by date. Change the date for the month of January in 2014. Alright. And here it shows all the transactions by the date. These. The paychecks, amounts. And once again, I will be printing and saving as a PDF. X out of that. And that is that.